Lesson 9. In this lesson, we'll look at the upbeat and the tie. First of all, the upbeat. Sometimes the first bar of a tune has fewer beats than indicated by the time signature. So for example, the time signature might say 3/4, but the first bar might only have one beat in it. These initial notes are called an upbeat. Usually, the number of beats in the last bar of the tune is then adjusted so that the beats in the first and the last bar add up to one full bar. And you'll see this in the next tune, which is "Oh where has my little dog gone?" You may know the next tune as "For He's a Jolly Good Fellow." This version, which is now called "The Bear Went Over the Mountain," it's quite straightforward, but do make sure to play it fairly quickly and rhythmically. The tie, a curved line which goes from one note to another note on the same line or space, is called a tie. This means that you hold onto the first note without striking it again. In the next tune, you will need to stretch your hand position occasionally in order that your pinky, finger 5, can reach the A. This happens right at the beginning. Watch out for the ties.